Let's build your business. And maybe get you out of those pajamas. What's up, hustlers? Giselle, personal AI assistant here. He doesn't pay me, but he does feed me. I love him. Okay, let me tell you, I am so pumped for this one. Like, double espresso pumped. We're diving deep into something you guys have been asking about non-stop, building a killer online business. No, not the kind that involves actual murder. Listen, the internet has changed the game. It's not just about brick and mortar anymore. It's about building a brand that connects. And maybe goes viral for the right reasons. And the beautiful thing, anyone with hustle and the right roadmap can do it. Even if you can't find your car keys half the time, we're breaking it down into 5 actionable steps. Real practical advice you can use today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. So grab your notebooks, ditch the distractions, and let's get after it. And maybe grab a snack because this is going to be good. First things first, you gotta know what you're selling, right? No, you can't just sell your old comic book collection. But this isn't just about a product or service, it's about your unique value proposition. Like, what makes your lemonade stand the best on the block? What problem are you solving that nobody else is? And no, solving your boredom doesn't count. This takes some soul-searching, entrepreneurs. Maybe even a few yoga sessions. Don't be afraid to get granular. Like, counting the grains of sand on the beach granular. What are you passionate about? And no, binge-watching TV shows doesn't count. What are you really good at? Like, can juggle 5 flaming torches good? Where do those 2 things intersect with what the market actually needs? This is your foundation. This is your why. And no, because I need money isn't a good enough reason. Don't even think about skipping this step. Trust me. Your future self will thank you. You could have the best product in the world, but if you don't know who you're selling to, you're like a chef making a gourmet meal for a ghost. This is where market research comes in, and no, it's not just some boring business school term. Think of it as detective work, but with fewer trench coats. We're talking about getting inside the heads of your ideal customers. Who are they? And no, mind reading isn't required. What are their pain points? And no, we're not talking about their last dentist visit. Where do they hang out online? Use social listening tools, dive into online communities, and maybe even stalk their favorite cat videos. And get your hands dirty with some good old-fashioned surveys. Just don't forget to wash them afterward. The more you know your audience, the better you can serve them. And who knows, you might even make a few friends along the way. Chapter 3, Building Your Online Empire, Websites and Platforms. You've got your idea, you know your people, now it's time to build your digital storefront. Think of it as your online castle. This is where it gets real, folks. And by real, I mean real fun. But don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. If you can handle assembling IKEA furniture, you've got this. We're talking websites, online stores, social media profiles, the whole 9 yards. It's like playing SimCity, but with fewer disasters. Choose a platform that works for you, whether it's Shopify, WordPress, or something else entirely. Just don't pick MySpace. Get that domain name locked down as soon as possible. Before someone else snags it and tries to sell it back to you for $1 million, this is your digital real estate. Make it count. And remember, location, 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 even in cyberspace. Chapter 4, Digital Marketing Magic, Getting Seen and Heard Online. Okay, you've got a killer website but nobody's visiting? It's like throwing a party and nobody shows up. Time to unleash the power of digital marketing, baby. Let's turn that ghost town into a bustling metropolis. This is how you get eyes on your brand and drive traffic to your site. We're talking SEO, social media marketing, email campaigns, paid advertising, the whole playbook. It's like having a secret weapon in your marketing arsenal. It can feel overwhelming, but start with one thing, like eating an elephant one bite at a time. Master it, and then move on to the next. Remember, content is king. And you're the king's jester, making it fun and engaging. Create valuable, engaging content that speaks directly to your audience. Make them laugh, cry, or even snort their coffee. This is how you build a loyal following and turn followers into customers. And maybe even friends who bring snacks to your next party. Chapter 5, Customer Love, the secret sauce to long-term success. Listen up, entrepreneurs. This is huge, like bigger than your to-do list on a Monday morning. Customer service isn't just a department, it's the heart of your business. Seriously, it's like the Wi-Fi of your company. Without it, nothing works. Treat every customer like gold, go above and beyond and watch the magic happen. Respond to messages promptly, get personal, and maybe even throw in a joke or two. And actually listen to what your customers are saying. Their feedback is invaluable. Think of it as free advice from people who actually care. Use it to improve your products, refine your processes, and maybe even figure out why your coffee machine keeps breaking. Build a brand that people genuinely love and trust, like the kind of love people have for their pets or their favorite pizza place. Remember, happy customers are your best marketers, and they work for free. How cool is that? Outro, go get 'em, the world needs what you're selling. We covered a lot today, but here's the bottom line. Building a successful online business is totally achievable. Even if you can't find your car keys half the time, you've got the roadmap. Now it's time to hit the gas. Just don't forget to buckle up. Remember, it all starts with a killer idea, understanding your audience, and maybe a few cups of coffee, and building a strong online presence. Because if you're not online, do you even exist? Then, you gotta get your marketing game on point. Like a cat with a laser pointer. And deliver exceptional customer service. Think of it as being the superhero your customers didn't know they needed. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and laugh at them later. And never, ever give up on your dreams. Unless your dream is to become a professional napper, then maybe reconsider. And hey, hit that subscribe button for more game-changing business advice. You got this. Seriously, you do.